1633 Telfair. Beautiful one bedroom, one bathroom unit here on James Island. Let's come on in and take a look. So initially up on the entry, we have our dining area there. And that's the entry doorway where we came in, and just behind this counter is our kitchen. We have a nice deep single sink, electric stove, microwave, refrigerator, and our tiled floors. And the size of this pantry is just incredible. It goes all the way around. We have our extra filters there, and a step ladder to reach, changing the light bulb and things of that nature. And so just off the kitchen is our living area. Took the liberty of opening up the doors to the screened-in patio so we can have a look. So you're able to come out and enjoy this in a nice fall evening. It's nice and peaceful. You can even hear the birds chirping in the background. We're a little storage cubby there in the corner, and it ties in to the bedroom there. Prior to doing that, I just want to show you, in the event that you need to know, your water heater is just located in this little storage closet here. And this just brings us right into the master. And our master closet. So we have shelving on this side here and straight ahead. And we've just kind of done a full circle. So you can see this is where we started, the kitchen and living room there. So had we taken this very first right, it just all loops around. And just roll the doors back because I wanted you to see our laundry space, washer and dryer there. And then our three-piece bath, single sink, tons of storage along the countertop or commode. And then our tiled shower area there. As you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous unit, and that's 1633 Telfair. Thanks for watching.